Your video gets 10 views, so you start changing everything. The title, the thumbnail, the editing, maybe even the whole channel. But views only tell you what happened. They do not tell you why. And that is where small creators can make the wrong decision. I have judged far too many videos by one number: views. If the number was low, I assumed the video was bad. But a video can struggle for completely different reasons. It might not have been shown to enough people. People might have seen it, but not clicked. They may have clicked and left quickly. Or they might have watched, but the topic had limited appeal. Those are different problems, and they need different fixes. The first number I check is impressions. That tells you how often YouTube showed your thumbnail. If your video only received 20 impressions, you cannot confidently judge the title or thumbnail. Almost nobody was given the chance to reject it. That does not prove the video was secretly brilliant. It just means you do not have enough evidence yet. This matters even more on tiny channels. With only a handful of views, one person clicking or leaving can completely distort the percentages. Sometimes the dramatic movement in your analytics is not a verdict. It is just noise. If the video received plenty of impressions but very few clicks, the problem is more likely to be the packaging. That means the subject, title, or thumbnail did not create enough interest. Your editing cannot save a video nobody opens. But remaking the whole video would also miss the actual problem. The content may be fine. People just never reached it. That is where click-through rate can help. CTR is not a magical score you need to hit. It changes depending on who YouTube shows the video to. A loyal viewer may click immediately. A wider audience may not. So I would compare it with my own similar videos rather than obsess over one perfect percentage. If people are not clicking, test a clearer title or thumbnail. But change one thing at a time. If you change everything, you learn nothing. If people click but leave quickly, the problem is probably inside the video. That is where audience retention becomes useful. Look at where viewers leave. If there is a major drop in the opening seconds, the introduction may be too slow. You might be explaining the channel, repeating the title, giving background nobody needs yet, or taking too long to deliver what the thumbnail promised. If viewers leave at a specific point later, something may have changed. The explanation became repetitive. The example lasted too long. The video wandered away from the original question, or the viewer felt they already had the answer. That is far more useful than simply saying the video only got 30 views. 30 views tells you the result. Retention may tell you the cause. Traffic source also matters. Someone searching for a specific answer may leave as soon as they get it. That does not automatically mean the video disappointed them. Someone browsing the homepage may need a much stronger opening because they were not actually looking for the subject. Again, the number needs context. And sometimes the most useful result is not a big spike in views. It might be one new subscriber, a comment from exactly the kind of person you wanted to reach, or several viewers moving on to another video. That can suggest the topic reached the right audience, even if it did not reach a large one. Views still matter. We want people to watch our videos, but views are the final score. They are not the full match report. When one of my videos performs badly now, I ask 4 questions. Was it shown? Was it clicked? Was it watched? And did the viewer do anything afterwards? If it was barely shown, I need more evidence. If it was shown but not clicked, I need better packaging. If it was clicked but not watched, I need a stronger opening or better content. If it was watched but still stalled, the audience or topic may have been too limited. That is already more useful than simply calling the video a failure. A low view video can still teach you something, but only if you stop staring at the scoreboard and start examining how the game was lost.